guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today is something super Italian. Pasta salad. Very easy, a million way to do. I show the mice, very nice and gentle. You know, it's nice at work, when in the office, when it's lunchtime, anytime is good. In the fridge, quickly and you eat. I need just some ingredients, no? I make very simple. I'm gonna use some rockets, some tomato, red onion, cucumber, olives, capers, a little bit carrot. And I use this cheese, this Italian cheese from Puglia. It's called cacio ricotto. It's salty cheese a little bit, but if you don't find this, you can use feta cheese or parmesan. The pasta, you can use any pasta you like. I recommend some fusilli, farfalle, penne. You know, no spaghetti is not the best, but it's easy to make it. I show you. We need a nice bowl where we're gonna put all ingredients plus the pasta, and we start. I start from the onion. Example, I show you. You know how to use obligatory onion. You can use garlic, anything you like. Thin, you know, because I like. Gonna be like that, something like that, you know? Cut all your onion like that, okay? When I cut all the onion, I show you the next. Okay guys, onion, later you put how much you like. Plus, I have the water on gas. In the time I cut all the ingredients, I put the pasta in. The pasta gonna be very al dente. Okay? Now I'm going to cut some tomatoes. Just like that. Cut like this, into. Put inside 5-6 tomato later, depend how much pasta you cook it. This is just for me and my family, is around 350 gram pasta, 400 grams, stuff like that. When I cut all the tomato, I show you. Okay guys, tomato is in, start mix something like that. Cucumber, I love cucumber in this, you know, just like that. If you like bigger, you can put bigger. Inside, some olives if you like, all or just cut it. Mix. I think it's enough. I add some capers. I like capers. If you don't like, don't put it. Mix again. Fantastic, guys. Now I add as well some parmesan. I'm sorry. This is cacio ricotta. You know, like this. And now salt. Some pepper if you like, and nice olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Now we mix everything. I like that, very gentle, you know. Later, if you want, here you can put chicken, you can put prawns, you can put tuna, you can put everything you like. You know, it's your salad, you know, but it's very good with a lot of ingredients, you know. This is very vegetarian. Okay, now guys, I take some carrot. Just like that, wait, because we like color. And this is done. Mix again. And now when the pasta is ready, that is the next step. It's almost done. So when the pasta is ready, I'm gonna show you how we mix everything. Gonna be absolutely delicious. And always guys, don't forget to share with friends this video if you like. Subscribe on the channel. You can check our website, it's very interesting. Okay? And see you later for the pasta. Guys, the pasta is very al dente. Off the gas. Now, this is not obligatory, but I like with some cheese. If you have this cacio ricotto or the parmesan or the feta is better, if nice. You put now a little bit and mix quickly. And this stick on, you see? Melt a little bit. Now a nice olive oil. And guys, the very important thing is now we leave this pasta to cool down a little bit, around 10 minutes, and later we mix with our vegetable. Okay? See you in 10 minutes. Okay, pasta is ready. I forgot to put some oregano, nice oregano. I went to take some basil. Now we mix again. Fantastic. The smell is the smell of my South Italy, my Puglia. Okay. Now we start add some pasta inside. The job is done, guys. Yeah. Start mix again. A little bit more. Now we mix again. If you want add more, a little bit more rocket like this, you know? And I think I need another couple olives. Now mix everything again. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. So it's done. Now for finish, I like a little bit of lemon juice on the top. It's not obligatory, like that. The rest of my cacio ricotto. Again, a nice touch olive oil, and you can press some basil. It's done. This is my salad pasta. Okay. What can I say? Again, well done, Piero. It's absolutely easy, amazing. You can keep in the fridge 3-4 days, but I don't think so. This, I think tonight is finished. Guys, the salad pasta, the Piero's pasta salad is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!